Hello everyone, my name is Bita Safari. I'm the founder and the CEO of GigaClean Technology. GigaClean is an application that offers on-demand cleaning services. It's an Uber way of cleaning. The company is a C Corp established in the state of Delaware and has a pending provisional patent. Cleaning industry is a very large industry. In 2022, it reached to $89 billion nationwide. In California, closed at $11.4 billion. Yet, it functions in a very old fashion. GigaClean aims to get 0.5% of on-demand market within the next 3 years in California alone, which brings a revenue of $50 million per year. Currently, the problem is with the scheduling. It's very hard to schedule on-demand services, as some of you may experience. Also, problem with billing and collecting funds, safety issues, quality, and environmental impact. There is no app that offers on-demand cleaning like the way that GigaClean does. So the solution is GigaClean. GigaClean connects consumers to the cleaners in the area by zip code. So it exactly works like Uber for cleaning. So consumers will have the liberty to schedule cleaning any time that they want. Through the app, there is no membership. So it's literally whoever download the app for free can order service as they need it. All cleaners go through the background check. So the app is very safe. Customers' data protected in a very secure way. It also offers faster service. The order requires only 3 hours advance notice with the 2 hours of minimum. Quality of service, we are emphasizing a lot on educating and training the cleaners, and we are using better quality products for cleaning. And at some point, by the next stage, we are just offering this water that some of you might be familiar with. So with the different pH levels, so if the pH increase, it can act as a degreaser. When decrease, act as an acid, so it can be disinfecting. So the whole entire property can get cleaned just by water. This is our app. It's available to download right now. We have coverage in Orange County. By end of this year, we'll cover Los Angeles and San Diego. By 2024, we'll cover all California. Our concentration is on 15 counties in California because honestly, we don't believe that there is much market in the middle of the California where there are more farms and less residential and office spaces. The business model charged between $35 to $75 an hour. App holds 25% of each transaction. Later on, we are going to have revenue by selling products and by allowing people to advertise through our app. Go-to-market strategy. At this point, we are just going market by county by county. We are starting in Orange County, as I said. Then we'll move to Los Angeles and Southern California area, and then Northern California. We have a very strong team with their expertise. I believe that we are going to meet our deadlines according to our business plan, and we are going to have a strong operation. At this point, we are asking for $1.25 million. 50% is allocated for marketing, 35% is for operation expansion, and 15% for phase 2 of product development. For exit, we sell at the right strategy at the right time. The company is eligible for e-visa with the minimum investment of $5 million. Any question? No? Thank you.